Hello there. It's going to be a quick little tutorial on how to pass PHP variables to JavaScript. Now, this is pretty easy to do, but throw it out there in case you don't know how to do it. Let's get rolling. So let's first create a variable in PHP. So we'll open up our PHP tags, and we'll call this user, and the username Bernie. Okay. Next, we're gonna need some JavaScript. So let's open up our script tag, close our script tag, create a function, welcome message, open and close curly brace. So my JavaScript variable will be user equals, and to pass it the PHP variable, it's as simple as this. You open up your PHP block, echo user, close, end quote, and semicolon. Now if we alert user, and let's just have this run on startup there, or on page load. So window add event listener load welcome message, and that should be it. That's as simple as that. So this could be a variable that's pulled from a database, whatever you may have it, any PHP variable. It's simple as if you were to create a typical variable in JavaScript, you might type in your name here. However, if you want to send it through a PHP variable, this is one way to do that. So let's go and see how this looks in our browser. And if we refresh the page, we get the alert Bernie. And we can spice that up a little bit by saying alert welcome. Welcome, Bernie. So, and you can change this variable to anything. J, welcome J, and that's it. Let's say you had a form. So let's get rid of this event listener, and we'll create a form. Say you want to create a form to allow a user to change their username. So what you might see in your form would be an input type equals text name user ID user, and this is how you would do this here. Value, open your PHP, echo user, close your PHP tags, close off the input tag or input field, and let's create a button. And we'll just call this submit. Wrong. What we need to do is now change this to be user.value. And you might notice here I just have the underscore. I have a function set up. It's basically saying document.getElementById. If you don't have that set up in your system, it's very easy to do. So I'll show you how to do that. Function underscore. So that's the name of the function is underscore. And just call it X, open curly, close curly. And you want it to return document.getElementById X. And that's all that is. Alright. It's just to save typing, so I don't have to type in document.getElementById yada 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 a million times over. So if you don't have that set up, it's a great little function. Add that to your snippet library. Alright, so now that I've fixed that, so user now is going to equal the value here of the input field. Let's go to the browser and refresh. So now it says J. Let's update that to Bernie and submit. Welcome, Bernie. So on submit, that could go to a PHP parser and now update your database, so your user now has the username Bernie. They can be called Shenane. I don't know how to spell Shenane, but welcome Shenane. Can be anything they want. So that's how to do it. There's two different ways to pass PHP variables to JavaScript. Pretty simple to do, very useful. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a wonderful day.